How can you master German articles? So here is how you can learn, you can master them very simple. So first of all, what is article? Article are the small word before every noun German noun will show three major things. So the first thing, uh, articles shows the gender of the noun. So whenever you see the uh, article, it shows you what the gender of the noun. So the second thing, it shows you the number of the either of people or object or anything, any nouns. So also example, the most of which you can say in singular form or in plural form. That's the number. Either we're talking about two people or we are talking about one person. So the third thing is talking about the grammatic role of the noun on the sentence. So every noun has grammatical role in a particular sentence, and always it differ from one to another. We have three genders in German nouns. So we have masculine gender and feminine gender in the neutral. So in masculine, we have it shows the masculine noun, which is basically the male animals, male people, or and some of the things. In second, in feminine articles, noun shows the feminine or female and female animals. Also, the neutral, we are talking about things, three types of articles. So the first type is definite articles, definite articles, in the indefinite articles. In the third type, we have negation articles. So definite articles shows provide more information about the particular noun. In the definite articles, we have three articles, which is there for masculine, and the D for feminine, and also we have dash for neutral. So all this shows the articles, it shows gender and the number of the. Also, we have D for plural nouns. So we have to consider plural nouns. So example, we say der man, der Tisch, and the on feminine we have the Frau, we have the Tasche, and on neutral we have the skinned, we have das Auto, and etc. On plural, we have noun like die Frauen, we have the Tomaten. So we use these definite articles to provide more information, or we talk about the noun objects. So the first thing called function, first function we're talking about, it uses it to identify or speak about. We use to speak about the noun, noun. So specific noun, the one we already know. And second role is that you use to provide more information about the noun or specific noun. Example, example, we have we have their man is gross. Their man is gross. So basically, we are talking about the man, how he's how how he looks. We are providing more information of the specific man. So this is used to provide more information of that. So another example, you can say the Frau is shown. The Frau is shown. So we also speak about specific woman, which is very who is very beautiful. And so the key things to understand is that when you're speaking about when you're using definite articles, you are using definite articles to show gender and also to specific to provide more information about specific verb. When we move to the second part, which is the second type of article, which is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. So this articles is used to introduce a noun for first time. Example. So whenever you're taking to general nouns or general things, or you want to speak in something for first time, you use indefinite articles to identify that noun. So example is saying das is ein man. So this is a specific use of man. So we identify that is a man. We are pointing out someone from the group of people, specific, yeah, from the group. We are not pointing that is man. Then also we can say das ist ein Auto. Or I can just say ich sehe ein Hund. So all this used to it shows is introducing a noun. What the key difference between definite and indefinite? The key difference is that definite articles provide more information about the noun, but this one introduces noun for first time. Example, we use in this example we are using both definite articles and definite articles. So we use indefinite article to introduce the noun for first time. Then we use definite articles to provide more information of the part of the same noun. Example, das ist ein Mann. Then we say der Mann ist groß. So we have used definite articles ein to introduce a man for first time. Then we use definite articles to provide more information about the same noun. We use we use same noun to produce definite articles to provide more information about the same noun. So another one is that ich sehe einen Hund and der Hund der Hund hat einen Ball. So ich sehe einen Hund, der Hund hat einen Ball. So we use einen, which is indefinite articles, to introduce the dog for first time. Then we use definite articles to provide more information about this dog. So that is the dog. The dog has a ball. So the last part of the or last type of the article, we have negation article. So negation article, basically we're talking about how to negate a noun. How can you say you don't have anything, or you have said no or not any? Example, I don't have a car. How do you negate it in German? You say ich habe kein Auto. Ich habe kein Auto. So another one we have maybe ich habe keine Tasche. So this is how we use definite article. So negation articles used specifically to negate noun. nouns. You cannot use negation articles to negate verbs or adjectives. So specifically, you negate only nouns. So whenever you want to use this negation article, you have to negate the noun, not negate the verb, not negate the adjective or anything else. So you negate noun. That's the only thing. So that is it. Dankeschön.